Welcome guys, today I am with the Edifier NeoBuds Pro and I'm going to show you how you can connect them to your MacBook. So the first, just open the case, and when you make it, this indicator will be activated like that, and all you have to do is just click and hold this middle button in the case until this indicator will swipe. The animation will look like swiping to the right side. Yeah, just like that. Right now we can release the button because we are in the pairing mode, so we are visible to other devices. And on our MacBook we have to go for the Bluetooth settings. We have to turn on Bluetooth, we have to open Bluetooth preferences. Okay, there we are. When you open the settings, we'll find Edifier NeoBuds Pro, so we can connect them by tapping on this button. And right now we are connected. We can also enter the settings, open the sound, and just be sure that we successfully switch to the output and input right here to our external device. So yeah, that's all for this video, and if you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.